All right, crowd getting excited as this fight gets underway, and you hate to call any fighter on this UFC roster a specialist, but on one side, you have a definite striker taking on a true five-tool player.
And you see a guy in the striker who knows exactly who he is. He knows where the fight needs to be. He knows what he has to do in order to be successful. Let's see if he can keep his opponent off of him.
Oh, nice job to land the straight punch there. Must be nice to have that kind of reach advantage, DC. I know you can't necessarily relate.
Big, powerful punch lands. Now he gets back to range.
And just misses with that big right hand. Well, perhaps a sign of things to come as he lands a kick there.
Nice kick landed by this gentleman. Big punch lands over the top. How's he gonna follow this one up?
Well, if you're gonna leave your body that wide open, you're gonna pay the price, and he certainly did there as his opponent lands flush to the midsection.
Look at him whip his hip into that kick. You take more of these leg kicks, you will not be able to be very active on your feet.
Oh, a little single collar tie there. Good series of strikes for him there, staying busy and staying accurate.
I mean, the accuracy is unbelievable.
Just misses with the straight right. Just over 3 minutes to go. Right hand on point. He blocks the punch.
Oh, that's a nice strike.
Both fighters exchange in the pocket here. And he landed the right hand there.
Oh, nice knee. An uppercut later.
Huge shots there. They're going at it now. Huge connection by him there.
He needs to get on his bicycle, John. He needs to get into space so that he doesn't get finished.
Oh, big left hook there.
That was a thudding leg kick.
The Korean Superboy gets touched by that kick there. Try to establish that jab.
Ooh, what a punch.
Now he engages in. He could be in trouble.
He's in trouble. He's hurt bad. He doesn't know if he's in the octagon or at his mama's house for Thanksgiving. Dude's hurt. Serve him up. Go get him. Knock him out. The fight's done.
Oh, man. This ground and pound is good. Probably my favorite striking realm in MMA, and he's as good as it gets.
The problem is the opponent is not controlling his posture. He's allowing his opponent to get up, and when he does, he creates this space to land these beautiful ground and pound combinations.
Missed with that attempt. Straight to the body by Choi.
Look at him drive his shin into his opponent's body with that body kick. Nice punch lands over the top.
Well, really using his reach advantage there with that punch, DC.
Yeah, he's mixed it all up.
Flush right hand is true.
What does he do now that he's back in the clinch?
Back and forth we go. Pretty good right hand. Straight right hand now, just misses. All right, so he lands another jab now, just snapping that thing off.
I believe that the jab was lost in mixed martial arts initially, but now it has been found, and it's been found by this young man in this octagon tonight. Look at how he turns his hip over when he throws that kick. Very tricky when he throws that body kick.
And another thwack there to the outside of that lead leg.
Oh, nice jab. What a tricky head kick.
Beautiful knockdown. Wow, that could have been a 10-8 round for you. But we want to finish. So moving forward, we know this.
Okay, you ready? Round 2. Ready? Let's go fight.
Starting to do some really significant damage to the body here. Another strike lands there. Also, the taller fighter lands a knee yet again. The Korean senses to defeat his opponent in a lot of trouble now.
That was Cain Velasquez's punch of choice. Every time he landed that overhand right, he hurt people bad. And this guy has his opponent hurt very badly again. Nice punch there. Real sneaky body kick.
Well, you know, I don't like the gi very much, but I have an appreciation and a healthy one for these type of transitions.
You can tell he's been in the gi at some point in his life with the way that he moves so freely.
I'm skipping jiu-jitsu next week, too. Well, there are a few things more fun to watch in mixed martial arts than these type of transitions and scrambles on the ground.
High-level grappling can really be entertaining.
Oh, he postured up there, gained some valuable separation.
And now the ground and pound starts. Nice punch lands over the top.
Timing his shots pretty well here early, DC.
He's doing a great job of mixing things up, keeping busy, being very accurate.
Well, he's been pretty accurate tonight. He's landed some significant strikes, but his corner's looking for him to mix it up a little bit more and just throw more volume.
Because they don't see too much of a threat. This guy has to have confidence in knowing that when he extends his combinations, he's still safe, but he's also going to be able to land. He's got to be finding that confidence in his mind that all the reps in the training room are going to pay off.
Oh, really exploiting his reach advantage as he landed the jab there, DC. The Korean Superboy gets caught with that punch. Don't be afraid to get that head off the center line.
Liver kick, if you take those kicks, it's going to shut your body off.
All right, so he connects with another punch there, kind of targeting that cut, I think.
I mean, when you get a cut on your opponent and you see it and it's pouring blood, you continue to attack it. Every time you land, you can see that it splits it a little bit more. Great job finding that weakness and really taking advantage of it.
Man, as he landed a high volume of strikes here in round 2, definitely picking up the pace after round 1. So he got the message from the corner, and now he is taking control of this second round. Straight right, he misses. Joy gets touched by that kick right to the body there. Nicely done by the opponent. All right, he'll engage in a single collar tie.
Can't take many of those, you better check.
The Korean Superboy gets caught by that straight punch. His defense has abandoned him tonight. Trying to establish that jab once again.
That's a big strike right there.
Then, man.
Oh, he's hurt bad.
He's hurt. He's out!
He got it!
Yeah, there's another one for the highlight reel, and that's probably as good a knockout as he's had in the UFC. Just a perfect shot to end the fight. Crowd absolutely loving it. Flush land to close out his opponent. I'm not even sure the other fighter saw it coming. So a big knockout for him here tonight on the biggest of stages. Well, another highlight for the real DC as we look back at that scintillating knockout.
Yeah, but the whole fight, he was landing great strikes, kicks, punches. He was doing everything right until eventually he found the shot that ended the fight.